Hey guys, welcome to another Linux Basics series video today. In today's video, we'll be playing around with namings with spaces. So if you ever worked in Linux and you're starting with Linux or maybe you're a professional with Linux, it actually doesn't matter. But you kind of get to a point in your life where you probably run into the case where you have a directory or a file with spaces in its name and you go, man, this really sucks. So I'm going to show you how you can kind of deal with it. And by deal with it is you just delete the file and you just completely just ignore it. No, I'm joking. But you should really rename the file so it doesn't have spaces. Let's be honest here. But we'll show you how you can actually use it to read the file or like modify the file with spaces. So we're going to show you how to do that here. All right, so let's get started. So what I have here in an example is, if I look at it, I got two things. I got a directory with spaces and a file with spaces. Both suck. So what we can do is, I can show you, the first thing is, if you were to like do ls directory with spaces, you can see that it doesn't exist because in Linux, essentially, the space is like your delimiter for like the next parameter. So in this case, it does ls directory, ls with, ls space, right? And obviously that doesn't exist. So the way to solve it is, there's a few ways that you can solve it. The two easy ways is you can do it and quote it so that you have directory with space and it's essentially say everything within the quotes is the whole thing. So you can see that I actually can ls that directory. The other way to do it, and I'll show you with the file, is you can also do it where you use the escape character, and that's the slash that's above the enter, to delimit or escape the space saying, hey, this is still part of the file name. So we can do that, and then space.txt. So we have essentially file, escape space with escape space and then space.txt and space as in the word space, and you can see we can cat it. It's an empty file so nothing returns, but those are the two easy ways that if you're trying to deal with stuff with spaces that you can essentially quote it all so that it takes it out all as one argument or use escapes. But what you really do is just do and move it and say no space file. Yeah. No spaces, guys. No spaces. That's what we want to see. So if you see things with spaces, let's not have spaces. So, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.